You don't have to micromanage to get valuable team insights. In fact, there's a smarter way to keep track of your team's progress without hovering over their every move. Today, I'm going to show you how to get these insights without micromanaging, and I'll walk you through a method that really works. First, let's talk about your communication channels. A key to getting team insights without micromanaging is to create an open and transparent communication system. You don't need to be constantly checking in with your team if you set up an environment where they can update you on their progress. This could be through daily check-ins, shared project management tools, or even a simple weekly report. Whatever works best for your team, just make sure it's consistent and doesn't require your immediate involvement at every step. Another powerful way to gain insights without micromanaging is to use data-driven decision-making. Instead of asking for updates on every little task, encourage your team to share key performance indicators, KPIs, that reflect their progress toward larger goals. This way, you get a bigger picture view of how things are going without needing to dig into the weeds. The software we'll be using today makes tracking these KPIs super easy, providing a dashboard that lets you check in on the metrics that matter most without having to bother anyone for a status update. But there's more. If you really want to avoid micromanaging and still get the insights you need, it's all about empowering your team to take ownership. If your team feels trusted to manage their own work, they will naturally be more inclined to give you the insights you need on their own. One of the best ways to do this is by setting clear expectations up front, both for the work and the results. Then, check in on the broader goals, not the day-to-day tasks. This shifts the focus from micromanaging every action to evaluating the overall output. So, how does this all work practically? That's where our software comes in. It simplifies the process by giving your team a platform to update their progress, track results, and get feedback, all without needing you to constantly hover. This software integrates with your workflow seamlessly, so you can stay updated on your team's progress without micromanaging. Remember, you don't need to micromanage to get valuable insights from your team. It's about creating transparency, tracking key metrics, and empowering your team to be responsible for their own work. Here's the key takeaway. Focus on the bigger picture and key performance indicators to understand your team's progress without getting caught up in the small details. Give your team the autonomy to handle their own tasks while providing regular check-ins based on results. And don't forget, I've got an exclusive free trial of our recommended software for you to follow along with. Check the description below to grab it. This is only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.